Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make yummy Leche Flan. First, let's prepare the caramel. Gently melt 1/2 cup of granulated sugar directly in your anura or mold over low heat. Swirl the mold carefully until the sugar transforms into a beautiful, rich amber caramel. Make sure it coats the entire bottom evenly for a perfect base. Next, we'll prepare the creamy custard. Carefully separate 10 egg yolks into a bowl, reserving the whites for another use. Add 1 can of condensed milk and 1 can of evaporated milk to the yolks. Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix gently until just combined, avoiding too many bubbles to ensure a smooth texture. Now it's time to steam our delicious flan. Carefully pour the strained custard mixture into your caramel-lined mold. Covering the mold tightly with aluminum foil is important to prevent any water from entering. Steam the flan for 35 to 45 minutes over medium heat or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once steamed, let your Leche Flan cool completely at room temperature. This step is crucial for its texture and to prevent cracking. Then, refrigerate it for at least 4 hours or even better, overnight, to allow it to fully set. When ready to serve, carefully run a knife around the edges, invert it onto a plate, and enjoy your perfectly yummy Leche Flan.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.